Amen. In Revelation chapter 13, War Against the Beast, verses 8 through 9 says, "And all that dwell upon the earth shall worship him, whose names are not written in the book of life of the Lamb slain from the foundation of the world. If any man have an ear, let him hear," even if it's damaged or whatever the case is of what I'm facing in COVID. Anybody that has an ear, let him hear. Our world is coming to an end. Amen. Marks of the beast. Amen. And then we'll go right here to 16. Through 13, Revelation 13, 15 through 18 also says, "And he had power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast should be killed. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand." Amen. A mark in their right hand, or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666. That's the beast number right there. LeBron James, same number of LeBron James. Amen.